Hello everyone. Let's do a problem today. Today we'll be working on linked lists. I'm pretty sure I've done these before. Yeah. The next one after linked list would be these. Yeah, anyways, that's not today's topic. Today's topic is linked list. Reverse linked list 2. Okay, given the head of a single linked list and two integers left and right, where left is less than equal to right, reverse the nodes of the list from the position left to position right. Then, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god, this is a lot trickier than I'm thinking. Okay, so first I need to find the two nodes. So okay, given the integers 2 to 4, I have to reverse it. So head equals 5. Are these the values themselves? 2 to 4. So I am assuming it's the values. If there's no 1 1, then that's GG's, right? Okay. Well then, okay. Oh god, there's a fly. So okay, I definitely need to find the left node, find the left node, find the right node, and then we have to do some pointer. Or can I construct a new? You know what? I don't like that either. Let's do this. We could build a new linked list, and how could we do this? So we can add like left and right here, and right and left. Okay, so we can do like, okay, once we know where this node is, once we know this node is, oh, is the position left to the position right and return the reverse linked list. Reverse the nodes of the list from the positions left to position right. So are these positions or I don't know. Reverse the nodes of the linked list from the position left to right and return the reverse linked list. So left to right. Why do we choose this? Is this 2 because that's the value 2? Okay. I was thinking of maybe we can do like yeah, I think building a new linked list. I think that's the best way. So we can definitely go, okay, we go here. First find the end node, find the left node and the right node. And then I was thinking maybe so we can do like a start stop, like start stop. For sure. I think that's the way to do it. Okay, so basically, okay, we start when the no, I need to find both of them first. Maybe do one pass to find the start, the second pass to find the end, right? And then start with that. So we do the 2 is gonna, the basically 4 dot next is going to equal 2 dot next. Then we move on. 3 dot next is going to point to 4 dot next. No, 2 dot next, right? Yeah. Damn, how do I do this? So we point 2 to 4, then 3, then 2 to 4, 3, 2, 4, okay. Go to 2 to 4. Okay, so it'll be 2. I need to visualize this. This is, I hate linked list. Linked list. What is this? What the fuck? Okay, draw or something like that. Exali. Okay, so we have a linked list like this. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? There's 5 nodes. We have 1, 2. So like these is the stop, end, or the start, end, right? And then what we need to do, right? We have pointers going this way, right? So we have here is we need to point, so we know where they are, so we could start like this. I don't even have access to previous. So having this node and this node is not really gonna help much, other than the fact of where to go next. So we have the next. So I need to have this one. So we probably need to store previous, right? And then we can have current. We have current. Which we'll say is the node we're on. Is this the start? And so like once we detect the start, damn, I don't know. Okay, maybe we need to find the end. We'll find the end. We're gonna first put the end. We're gonna point this guy to here, right? Then I need to point for to this guy, right? And then then we need to take care of this, go here, and then this guy has to do this. Okay, then I completely have reversed it. The problem is I have no idea how to do this. Okay, let's do another idea. We could do a dummy node, so we create a new linked list and we just keep adding it on. Wait, can we even actually? Yes, we do. So we can like keep adding on to it. We can make more basically. 2, 3, 4. We can basically, so these are the start, end, and then we basically do end, start, end. End. Is that right? Yeah, we start from, we always add from the end. We pull from the end. Yeah. That's gonna be really tricky. So like we have this, we just add one normally, right? Then who do I add? I could add basically the start, which is gonna be 4. Then we're gonna add 3. Then we're gonna add 2. Then we're gonna have 5. This is pretty simple if I do it like that. But the problem is I don't know how I would formulate that. So maybe we can do 1, 4, 3. So why does that work? Because we look at the, okay, why would we put 1? 1, well, that's not our start. Okay. So that's going to be, boom, boom, we reached our start. Well, okay, I guess we can basically say left current start. We can say that, right? And then we'll basically, okay, is it in the range? No, so just add it. Okay, now is 2 in the thing? Yes, it is. So that means is 2 in range, then we make a new node with 4. But how do I get 4? Okay, this is the problem. I don't know how to get these values to here. You know? Because technically all I need is just 4, 3, 2, right? I just need to start from the end. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so yes it is. Boom. Yes it is. Boom. Okay, that's the idea. It's just I need to get these values in its own container. So how could I do that? God damn. I could make like a list, put all the values. Okay, put all the values in a list. Go through them in reverse, or that are in the range. So it'll be 2, 3, 4, right? Maybe reverse it. So we'll put the first one here, then the second one, then the second, and then we put it one by one. That's such a cheeky way, but let's try it, bro. I don't really care. So first, let me go through values in range. Oh, let's call it values. So let's do while cur equals head, while cur cur equals cur dot next. If cur dot value less than equal to right, let's do less than equal to this, then we'll add him to the values, append cur dot val, and then let me just print values. Yep, that's exactly who I need. And then we'll do dummy list node, which will be nothing, and we'll create a cur, which is head. And then while cur equals cur dot next, if cur dot value less than equal to right, left, and then we will do this, and then we'll do values I list node do it like that, I guess, right? Actually, we could just traverse the head and we'll just do a dummy. Node equals this. Current dot val, and then we will just do cur dot next equals cur or node, and then we move on until there is no other values, and then return dummy dot next. Memory. Alright, yeah, that makes sense, to be honest. Okay, yeah, this is trash. Let's do it a different way. I think the idea, the idea was fine here. Like, we could have done, like, left, right. So, we need to have 2 pointers. So, we need to do, let's pull this up. So, we have left here. We probably have, like, okay, we have left, and then, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just have a dummy dot next to be this. So I just basically need to be on the left previous. So since this is we have a like left previous here, right? This is gonna be the previous or the current, and then we'll do from here. I'll do the reverse operation, right? Which is pretty simple. I think it's we have another previous pointer here. Break this off, point to this here, or the previous, or break the next is going to equal the previous. Save this where you're going next, and then move cur here, and then done. Or previous is gonna be null first, and then previous is gonna be null first. Previous is null here at first, and we have the current here. And then we'll do this 1, 2, 3, right minus left. Right minus left times. We need to do right minus, so it's like 4 minus 2, so it's gonna be 2 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, basically 3 times. So we end up here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, exactly. So 3 times. So we'll do 4 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, let's try that real quick. So first, have a pointer to here and here. So left previous here, and keep try that, and then do the reversal till you get to the end of the list. Then we'll do the left pointer is gonna go back here, and move this guy to here, or this guy's next is going to be here, and this guy left pointer. This guy is gonna be the cur, and then left dot previous is also gonna equal to previous. Okay, let's try that real quick. So left I'm gonna make a dummy node so we can just return dummy dot next. List node 0 and put head here while dummy or while cur. Oh, actually not cur. So we'll do for in range from left minus 1. We just won't even do it like that many times. Like for example, it's left 2, so we want to do this. This is 0, nothing. So we'll do here. So that's 2, so we just do it one time. 1. Yeah. Put that here, and then cur. So it'll be prev is gonna be equal to, well, prev cur is equal to cur, then cur dot next. So we're just setting the pointers. Now we'll do the reversing. So we'll do previous equals left prev, and then cur is where cur is at. So what? So for in range, I think it's right minus left plus 1. So previous is equal to left previous. I think that's, so previous equals to left previous. So we'll do the next, which is going to be cur dot next. Then we're going to say previous equals cur, or previous. Ooh, no. That's fine. Previous dot next equals cur. Cur equals. Oh, no. Cur dot next. And then we'll do cur dot right here, yeah. Not to previous, right? Which is first none, because we're gonna have none here. This is the current pointer right now. We're gonna say, okay, we're gonna say dot next. We're gonna point that here and move on here, right? And then previous is now here. Then we're gonna push this guy over here, move P here, C to here. So yeah, pretty simple. We want to do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you can get that from 4 minus right, right minus left plus 1. Okay. Once that's done, that's simple. Now we have the. Now we need to do all this dangling stuff. Okay, so. Now we've made everybody look backwards, right? We'll put this guy here. Previous should be, so there's problems still. So everyone's looking this way, but this guy's dangling to previous, like none. This guy's, I think it's still pointing to this, which doesn't make sense. And then this guy is dangling itself. So, okay, and then let me fix this. So we're gonna say, so this guy next is from, we can do that by left previous dot next dot next. We're gonna point this guy towards, so 2 to 5, right? Yes. So dot next, this guy is gonna point to the current, then and then this guy needs to point to the 4, right? 1 needs to point to 4, which is what we stored here, which was the previous. So that's simple, right? So left previous dot next equals cur, and then left previous dot next, which is this guy's pointer should point at the previous. It's previous, and then return. I don't know what I return. Oh yeah, dummy dot next. Oh, that makes sense. Previous. Yeah, so that should work now. Left prev, none cur. The current and the cur is cur dot next. Okay. Cur dot next to next, and the cur dot next equals previous. Cur equals next. Did I miscalculate here? So where I need to go, then the next is going to be the previous, and then we move that to next. Oh, wait, I forgot to set this. Hold on. And then previous equals cur. Yep. Does that make sense? Previous equals cur. Yes, it does. And then that should be good. Okay, why? Wait, left previous equals cur. Cur equals cur dot next. Cur equals head. Oh my god. So we have none. No, I'm messing something up. Oh my god. Left previous equals cur and cur equals cur dot next. Am I missing something? Dummy list node. Then. Oh shit, hold on. Maybe I should have done dummy should be this here, yeah. There you go, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, nice. I'll see you guys tomorrow.